students, are we all ready to learn today's chapter? Yes. Today we are going to learn the associative property. It's for class 8 and it's associative property, right? First, let's see the associative property of whole numbers. For that, let me take a whole number A as 5, B as 3 and C as 4. Okay, we have to take 3 whole numbers. A is 5, B is 3 and C is 4. Now, under addition, first we are going to do under addition. Associative property of whole numbers under addition. So, what is A plus, we have to group in such a way that it's A plus B plus C. That is B plus C within brackets. That means first we have to add B plus C. Right? So, what is A? 5 plus B is 3 and C is 4. So, add these two. 3 plus 4, 7. So, 5 plus 7, the answer is 12. Okay? Now, let's go for, we have to group in another way. That is, A plus B, group it and then add it to C. So, what is A? 5 plus B is 3. Then add it to C. So, what is 5 plus 3? It's 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So, are we getting the same answer? So, A plus B plus C group is the same as A plus B group first and then added to C. So, that shows that A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Which means that for 3 whole numbers A, B and C, associative property is satisfied for whole numbers under addition. So, addition is associative for whole numbers. Let's go for subtraction now. Same way, take A as any whole number. A as 7, B as 6 and C as 3. Right? A is 7, B is 6 and C is 3. Now, since it's subtraction, what you have to do? A minus B minus C. Group it in such way that A minus B minus C. So, what is A? 7 minus 6 minus 3. Which you have to subtract first? 6 minus 3. What is 6 minus 3? It is 3, isn't it? So, 7 minus 6 minus 3 is 3. So, what is 7 minus 3? It is 4. Now, let's go for the other way of grouping. A minus B minus C. Right? So, what will you get here? A is 7 minus 6. Then subtract 3. So, your C is 3 here. So, what is 7 minus 6? 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 minus 3. What is 1 minus 3? You have to subtract and put the greater number sign. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So, what is A minus B minus C? It is 4. And A minus B then minus C. The answer is minus 2. So, are the answers, both answers same? No, they are not same. So, what do you get infer from this? From this, we can infer that A minus B minus C is not equal to A minus B minus C. Okay? Which shows that associative property under subtraction is not true. Or we can say that subtraction is not associative for whole numbers. I think it's clear for you. Next is what operation? It's multiplication. We are going to go for multiplication. So, let us take any 3 whole numbers, right? Take any whole number A as 5, B as 6 and C as any whole number 2. Okay. Now, what we have to do? A into B into C. Multiplication. So, we'll go for that. We have to check whether that is same as the other way of grouping is A into B into C. Okay. First, we'll do this side. This is your other left hand side. So, what is A? 5 into, what is B? 6 into C is 2. First, do the bracket. What is 6 into 2? 12. So what is 5 into 12? 5 into 12 is 60. Okay. Do the other side. What is A into B? A is 5. B is 6. 5 into 6 into 2. What is 5 into 6? It's 30. 30 into 2, it's 60. Are the both answers same? Yes. This answer is also 60. This answer is also 60. What do you infer from this? We infer that A into B into C is the same as A into B into C. That is, if you multiply this 2 first and then multiply with A and multiply A into B first and multiply then with C, you will get both the answers are same, which shows that multiplication is associative for whole numbers. The next part is division. Okay. Division. Let's take any 3 whole numbers. Next is division. Under division, we'll go for any whole number A as 6, B as 5 and C as 4. Right? Now we'll do division. A divided by B divided by C. The other side should be A divided by B divided by C. You have to group with this two in such a way that. Okay. Now we'll take the A as 6. Okay. Now what is B? B is 5. C is 4. So 6 divided by 5 divided by 4. I'll write it as 5 by 4. Right? So what I have to do? 6 by 1. This you have to reciprocate because it's division. You have to do multiplication and reciprocate. So it is 4 by 5. So what will you get here? 6 4s are 24. 24 by 5 is your answer. Okay. Now I am going to do the other side. So what is your A? A is 6 and B is 5. 6 divided by 5 divided by 4. What is 6 divided by 5? You will write 6 by 5 divided by 4 by 1. So it is 6 by 5 into 1 by 4. Okay. So what will you get here? 6 ones are 6 by 4 5s are 4 are 20. You can reduce and all that. So your answer here it's 24 by 5 and here it's 6 by 20. Are the both answers same? No, they are not same. So what do you infer from this? You infer that A divided by B divided by C. A divided by B divided by C is not equal to A divided by B divided by C. Okay, which shows that division is not associative. So we'll recall all what we have learned now. So what do you infer from all the four? For associative property of whole numbers is addition is associative. Isn't it? Addition is associative. You got A plus B plus C is the same as A plus B plus C. Subtraction is not associative. Subtraction is not associative. Then what is the next? Multiplication is associative. You got same answer on both the sides. Multiplication is associative, whereas division is not associative. Right, children? So you practice division is not associative. So after watching my video, you give different values of A, B and C. Okay? You have to practice by yourself. So you will get all these results. Okay, children? Now let's go for the associative property of integers. Let's take an integer A as 5, B as -4 and C as -3. Any three integers. A, 5, B negative integer, -4 and C negative integer, -3. We are doing the associative property. So A under addition. I told you already we are doing first for addition. Now what is A plus B plus C? Okay. And the parallelly we'll do what is A plus B plus C. Okay. Now what is A? 5 plus B is minus 4 plus minus 3. Okay. So we have to do this bracket first. What is minus 4 plus minus 3? It's minus 7. 5 plus minus 7. What will you get? One positive integer and one negative integer. You have to subtract. 7 minus 5, it's 2, and so it's minus 2. Now we'll see what is A plus B plus C. First, what is A plus B? B is minus 4. Okay, plus minus 3. What is 5 plus minus 4? We have to subtract and put the greater number sign. So 5 minus 4 is 1 and plus 1. Plus 1 plus minus 3. Now one positive integer and one negative integer we have to subtract and put the greater number sign. So what answer you got here? Minus 2, and here also you got the answer as minus 2, which shows that A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay children? That means integers are, integers is true for addition. It's true in associative property. Okay. So associative property of integers is true for addition. Now let's go for subtraction. Let's take any three integers A, B and C and do the subtraction and check whether subtraction is associative for integers. Let's take our A as minus 5, B as minus 3 and C as plus 7. Anything, any three integers you can take and you have to check it. Okay. Now what is A minus B minus C? Okay. And we have to check that side also. A minus B minus C. Now what is A? Minus 5 minus of B is minus 3 minus 7. Okay. Now it is minus 3 minus 7 you have to do first. Both negatives, add and put the minus sign. So minus 3 minus 10 is minus 3 minus 7 is minus 10. So minus 5 minus minus 10. So you have to do the additive inverse of it. Additive inverse means what happens? Minus will become plus 10 and you have to add. Now you have a positive and a negative. What you have to do? You have to subtract and put the greater number sign. So your answer is plus 5. Now take for this. What is A? Minus 5 minus. What is B? It's minus 3. Okay. Now minus 7. Now what you have to do? Since it's subtract, you have to do the additive inverse. Minus 5. This will become plus 3. Okay. So what is minus 5 plus 3? You have to subtract and put the greater number sign. Minus 7. What is minus 2 minus 7? Minus 2 minus 7 means actually what you have to do is minus 2 plus, that is 1. Here the meaning is minus 2 subtracted with plus 7. That is the meaning. So what you will do is minus 2 plus minus 7. So the answer is minus 9. Both negative. Some of you have doubt with integers. So that additive inverse is changing plus 2 minus and minus 2 plus. And so this is plus 7 will become minus 7. And so your answer is minus 9. Here your answer is plus 5. And here your answer is minus 9. Which shows that subtraction is not associative for integers. That is A minus B minus C is not equal to, you will get the answer as A minus B minus C is not equal to A minus B minus C. This is what the result you will get. Because the answers are not same. Okay children. Now let's go for multiplication. Okay. Take any three integers A, B and C. You can either take positive or negative integers and we do it. Now and taking my A as 4, B as minus 6 and C as plus 5. What is A into B into C and what is A into B into C? We'll check both. Okay. Now what is A? 4 into minus 6 into 5. Isn't it? B is minus 6 and C is 5. So what will you get here? 4 into, first you have to do this, minus 6 and 5 is minus 30. So what is 4 into minus 30? It is 4 3s are 12 and so you will get plus into minus is minus. So minus 120 you will get. Now what is A into B into C? 4 into minus 6. Okay, you have to do first. Then multiply with C. What is 4 into minus 6? It's minus 24. Minus 24 into 5. That will also, if you multiply, you will get 120. Minus 120. Are both answers same? Yes. This is also minus 120 and this is also minus 120, which shows that multiplication is associative for integers. Right? Next, we'll go for division. Okay? Division. Under division for integers, let's take any 3 integers and we'll do it. A is 2, B is 5 and C is minus 3. So what is A divided by B divided by C? Okay, and here we'll do it. What is A divided by B divided by C? Okay, so what is A here? 2 divided by 5 divided by minus 3. Okay, now we'll do it. 2 divided by 5 divided by minus 3. So I'll write here minus 3. Standardizing, you'll write it like this. So what will you get here? 2 by 1 divided by minus 5 by 3. That is 2 by 1 into 3 by 5. Okay. So our answer will be minus 6 by 5. This is your answer. Now we'll do the other side. What is A? A is 2 divided by 5 divided by minus 3. Okay. Now what will I get here? 2 by 5 divided by minus 3 by 1. So what I have to do? 2 by 5 division change into multiplication and reciprocate. Okay. So this minus, when it comes down, actually you have to put the minus sign always in the numerator. Okay. So what will you get? 2 into minus 1, it's minus 2 by 5 3s are 15. Okay. Here your answer is minus 6 by 5. Here your answer is minus 2 by 15. Are they both same? No, they are not same. So what do you infer from this? Division is not associative for integers. So we'll come to a recap of all these things. Okay. Let's recap. What is associative under integers? Okay. Previously we saw under whole numbers. Under integers, addition is associative, isn't it? Addition is associative. Then what's the next here? Subtraction is not associative. Okay. Then we had multiplication is associative, right? Multiplication is associative, and finally we checked for division is not associative. Okay, division is not associative. This is for integers. Okay, so you always practice with your own examples. Okay, give your own examples for A, B, C integers and practice and check whether addition is associative, subtraction is not, multiplication is associative and division is not associative. Okay children, do practice it. We will come in the next class with the associative property of rational numbers. Okay, thank you.